In this video you will see how to hide table lines in Word document. It's very easy. To hide table lines, first click on this small square to select the table. After selecting the table, you will see here the option of table layout. Click on this option and then click on convert to text. After clicking on this option, the borders will be completely removed from the table. There is one more method. After selecting the table, you can right click on the table, go to borders and shading, click on borders tab and this time select the option none. You can see the preview that there will be no border. Next to apply to, it must be table and then click on OK, and this will also hide all table lines in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.